Today we are going to revise amine chapter, and it is a method of key diagram of the method of preparation and reaction. Now you see the key diagram. The left hand side is a method of preparation of the amine, and right hand side is the reaction occurred with amine versus other element. First, we are going to discuss method of preparation. Now, that is one of the method of preparation is ethyl iodide versus alcoholic ammonia at temperature 373 degree Kelvin. The product is become a amine, alkyl amine. This is known as a alkyl amine. The condition of the reaction, the temperature is supposed to be 373 degree Kelvin, and also we should be careful. Rate of reaction, alkyl iodide is greater than alkyl bromide, is also greater than alkyl chloride. Here we have taken the alkyl iodide, and finally product is coming alkyl amine, that is alkyl amine. Next, this is not given in the book. However, the reaction is a very simple. We are going to discuss. Acetaldeoxime after reduction due to hydrogen, we are getting product amine. This hydrogen is supposed to be nascent hydrogen, which is being produced that sodium plus ethyl alcohol. A nascent hydrogen is developed and immediately attacking the acetaldeoxime, and amine is being produced along with others. Next, we are talking that what is the condition of the reaction. The reaction is sodium plus ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Any of the two, if we consider the alkyl amine will be developed. All the above reaction is a reduction. Here also one of the reduction also we are talking, that is acetonitrile. After reacting the nascent hydrogen, amine is being produced. The condition also like similar. Here sodium and ethyl alcohol. Please note here the reaction is known as a step up, because I have a methyl cyanide. What is called methyl cyanide, but product is ethyl amine. And that is the reason it is known as a step up reaction. This is also known Mendius reaction. This is also known as a Mendius reaction. Next, again hydrogenation or reduction with hydrogen. That hydrogen here condition is different, that is tin plus hydrochloric acid. This can be also obtained iron plus hydrochloric acid, zinc plus hydrochloric acid, or lithium aluminum hydride in ether. The nascent hydrogen react with nitroethane After reaction, also the product is ethyl amide or alkyl amide. Whatever general formula you want to use, you can use also. Next, we are talking acetamide. Acetamide, that is CH3CONH2, CH3CONH2 reacting with lithium aluminum hydride oblique ether, that is medium is a ether. After that you are doing hydrolysis. After hydrolysis the product is coming ethamine, amine, alkyl amine. That product is coming automatically from here. Next, this is a very important reaction, and this is most of the laboratory method. This is being produced here. Phthalimide. Phthalimide means phthalic acid after reaction amine, that is phthalimide. Phthalimide is reacting with potassium hydroxide. It is alcoholic potassium hydroxide in presence of alkyl halide, not shown here, alkyl halide RX. So phthalimide react with alkyl halide in presence of potassium hydroxide. We are getting the product as a alkyl amine. That means alkyl halide reacting, after reaction it produces the alkyl amine. But this is also known as Garberial phthalimide synthesis. That is also known as a Garberial phthalimide synthesis. Next, also very important reaction, it is known as a step down reaction. Earlier we have talked step up, one carbon is being added. Here it is a step down. You see here propionamide CH3CH2C. All three carbon are considered 1, 2, 3. Now you see product is coming ethyl amine, that is one carbon less. That is the reason it is known as a step down reaction. The reaction can also be occurred sodium carbonate plus sodium bromide. That means here you see here this is sodium carbonate and sodium bromide along with the product of ethylamine to be produced. This is known as a Hofmann degradation. So these two important reaction, that is 5 and 6 and 7. One is phthalimide, another is a propionamide, that is also known as a Hofmann reaction, also known as a step down reaction. Now, this is our method of preparation of alkyl halide. Now we are going to discuss the chemical properties of alkyl halide. Chemical property of alkyl amine, not halide, it is alkyl amine. First you see, when alkyl amine react with water, hydrolysis is occurred. That means in water, after hydrolysis, H plus OH minus, and it is being added with the ethyl amine as shown in the figure, and the name of the product is known as a ethyl ammonium hydroxide. Next you see ethyl amide reacting with hydrochloric acid. Also hydrolysis type reaction is occurred, that is it is being soluble in the hydrochloric acid. Mostly all primary amine is soluble in water and acid. Now you see here, it is also ionized. Product is being ionized and forming the product ethyl ammonium chloride. Ethyl ammonium chloride. Same as sulfuric acid, it is also reacting with the sulfuric acid, that is ethyl amine. After reaction sulfuric acid, it is being formed ethyl ammonium sulfate. Ethyl ammonium sulfate. Look, all three reactions are similar nature, that is ionization or hydrolysis or ionization, hydrolysis, etc. product, or it is also dissolved in hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and water. Next we are talking amine after acetylation, CH3COCl, CH3COCl are reacting N-acethylamine, This is also react with acetic anhydride. This is also react with the acetic anhydride, same product will come. Next you see alkyl amine after nitration, alkyl amine reacting with nitrous acid, and nitrous acid product is coming ethanol. In between there is a diazonium salt also being produced. But in aliphatic diazonium salt is very unstable, and it is after hydrolysis it become a product ethyl alcohol. Next you see here, that is ethylamine reacting with potassium hydroxide in presence of chloroform, also product is coming CH3, CH2 and triple C. Here one thing we should be very careful, this product is very dirty smell. This product is having very dirty smell. Now, here in summary we are talking some of the reaction occurred aromatic and as well as aliphatic. In aromatic amine, method of preparation number 4, this reaction is also similar reaction occurred in aromatic compound. Similar reaction is, that is phenyl nitrophenol. That is, here it will come nitrophenol, the reaction will be occurred. Again here chemical reaction with nitrous acid, this is also the same reaction in aliphatic as well as aromatic, aliphatic and anaromatic amine, and product we can analyze what is the product, final product will come. Please note, already we have talked that this is a very dirty smell, and when chloroform in presence of potassium hydroxide react with amine, then isocyanide, remember this is known as a isocyanide, and which we have discussed in one of the video, that isocyanide and cyanide, what is the difference, how it is being prepared, also we have talked. So this is our revision. That means it is a very short revision, we can follow this during exam time or very shortcut period of time.